in the given data set, we are going to identify our mod. Okay, before starting to find the mod, you have to order this in ascending order. That is the first thing you should do. Okay, let's order this one. 1 is the first one, then 2. There are two 2's given, so 2 and 2, and there is a 3, and there is a 4, and there are 3 5's. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. There are 2 7's, and there is a 9. Okay, this is the thing you should do first. Then mod. Mod in this mod of this data set means the data which repeats more times. Okay, which repeats more times. That means highest number of data in the given data set. When we consider about number 1, only 1 appearing here. There are 2 2's, only 1 3, only 1 4. There are 3 5's. Okay, 3 5's, and only 2 2, 2 7's, and there is a 9. Okay, in the given data set, what is the most repeated data? Okay, most repeated data, that is our mod. So in this data set, mod is 5. Okay, most repeated data in a data set is concluded as our mod. Okay, for the given data set, the mod should be 5. Next, median. Median is also another new thing. Median. Okay, to find the median, you have to order this in ascending order. We already did that. No, in that you should count how many datas in this data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 datas. Okay, there are 11 datas. Median means the middle one in the data set, middle position occupied by a particular value. That is our median. Okay, middle value. That means if it is 11, okay, there are totally 11 datas given. So we can split that 5, here 5, and the middle one is the thing what we need. We can split the 11 into 3 portions. First 5 datas, last 5 datas, in between the middle one should be our median. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our 6th data. 6th data. Before that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data. After that also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data. So median for the given data set, median should be 5 here. Okay, median should be 5 here. Already we found mod also 5 here. Then we found median also as 5. Median means in a data set the center datum. Okay, center datum. When we split this into 3 portions, the middle one should be our median. This is the easiest explanation to find out your median. Then next thing, that's a new thing, that is our mean. Okay, to find the mean, what do we need to do is we have to add up all the data. Okay, there are 11 data given. Now you have to add all of them. That means 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, then plus 7 plus 7 plus 9. You have to add all the data. You should add all the data. Then after, you have to divide that by number of data. Number of data. First we added the values of data, then that should be divided by number of data. That means total 11 data is given. So that should be divided by 11. Okay, first of all, let's add them. Okay, while adding 1 plus 2, it's 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 27. Then 34, 41, and 50. So 50 should be divided by 11. Okay, 50 should be divided by 11. That will give you mean of the data set. Okay, mean of the data set. So when you divide 50 by 11 to find the mod, I'll repeat once more. To find the mod, what do we need to do is we have to add up all the data. That means 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 5,
This is
5. Yeah, 50 should be divided by 11. Let's divide 50 by 11. So 4 11s are 44, remainder 6. Let's place our decimal and lend a 0 in that. 5 11s are 55 and there is a 5 remaining. There is a 0. Okay. 4.54. Okay. Mean of this given data set should be 4.54. While you are dividing, it's better to keep your decimal until second digit. Okay. You can bring your decimal until second digit. That is a preferred way. Then, first of all, what we discussed, mod. Mod means most repeated data. Okay, most repeated participant in a data set. In median, the middle one. Okay, middle data is our median. Mean means you should add up all the data and it should be divided by number of data. Then final one is our range. Okay, range is a familiar one for us. To find the range from the highest one, to find the range you should subtract from the highest value, you have to subtract the least value. Okay, that means amongst here the highest value is 9. From that you should subtract your least value 1. That will give you range as 8. Okay, range as 8. These are the key things you have to know in a representation of data. In this data set, let's identify our mod first. Before starting to do them, what do we need to do? We have to order that in ascending order. So 10, then 20, 30, 30, 50 and 70. Okay, 50 and 70. So then after to identify the mod, most repeated data. That means here 30 repeated twice. So 30 is going to be our mod in this case. Second one is our median. Okay, in our previous example, I explained you how to find in an odd. Okay, in an odd series. That means 11 means we can split here only 1, 2, 3. There are 6 data sets. Okay, 6 data sets. So the middle portion will occupied by these two. Okay, these two. That means when we consider this one as our median, only 2 datas before that, there are 3 datas after this. So it's incorrect. Okay, it's incorrect. When you consider about this one as your median, 3 datas before this, 2 datas after this. This one also incorrect. So in these cases, you have to find both of them. Both of them are our median. Okay, to find the perfect median, you have to add up them. 30 plus 30. Okay, we have two numbers now. Two numbers as a median. You should add them and divide that by 2. So here 60 divided by 2 also will give you 30. In some cases we will receive different answer than this. Okay, let's do those questions after this. Okay, in even data set, that means even numbered count the data set. This is the way you have to find your median. Then let's find our mean. To get your mean, you have to add up your data. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 30, then 50 and 70. 50 and 70. This one should be divided by 6. That means 10 plus 20 is 30, 60, 90, 140 and 210. 210 should be divided by 6. Let's divide that one here. 210 divided by 6 means here there are 3 6's are 18, then remainder 3 0. In that 5. Okay, so our mean of this data set should be 35. Okay, 35 is our mean. Final one is to find our range. Range. To find the range from highest value in the data set, you have to subtract the least value. 70 minus 10 will give you 60. 60 is the range of this particular data set. That's all for these questions.